Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. You're in a good place for honest reviews on the top proprietary trading firms to help you make smarter decisions. In today's video, we're doing a deep dive comparison between two major players in the prop firm industry, FundedNext Stellar Instant and WeFund Step-HFT. If you're looking for your next challenge, stick around. We're breaking down the pros, cons, and key differences between these two firms to help you choose the right one. FundedNext Stellar Instant programs versus WeFund Step-HFT program. FundedNext Stellar Instant account size start from $5,000 to $20,000. This is direct instant funding, and you don't need to pass challenges. WeFund Step-HFT program account size start from $10,000 to $200,000. Profit target is 10%. Limited time summer promo. This summer, WeFund is turning up the heat with exclusive offers designed to kickstart your trading journey. Use code ALF25 for 25% off your purchase, and you'll get a free passing tee. FundedNext Stellar Instant account has no challenge phase, and WeFund Step-HFT has a challenge phase. FundedNext Stellar Instant account, there is no profit target. WeFund Step-HFT, there is 10% profit target. FundedNext Stellar Instant account, there is no daily down and max down you have 6% trailing. WeFund Step-HFT has 4% trailing daily down and 6 max down you have 8%. Both prop firms has no time limit and no minimum trading day. FundedNext Stellar Instant account, higher commissions, $7 lot. Profit split is 80% and 1-to-30 leverage. WeFund Step-HFT trading commissions. There are no fees per lot for commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. However, Forex and metals have a flat fee of $3 per lot. Profit split is up to 80% and 1-to-30 leverage. Both firms you can trade news and hold overnight and over the weekend and use EAS. FundedNext Stellar Instant account, they don't accept trade copies. There's also no consistency rule. WeFund Step-HFT copy trading, only allowed within your own accounts, not with others. There's also consistency rule you have to follow. Account sizes and pricing. FundedNext Stellar Instant account, $5,000 account, $195. $10,000 account, $399. $20,000, $780. WeFund Step-HFT. $10,000 account will cost you $147. $25,000 account will cost you $297. $50,000 will cost you $387. $100,000 will cost you $547. $200,000 will cost you $997. Limited time summer promo. This summer, WeFund is turning up the heat with exclusive offers designed to kickstart your trading journey. Get 25% off at WeFund with code ALF25, and you will get free passing your account. Don't miss out. The summer promo ends 31st of July. You can always use ELF for 15% off all the time. FundedNext has very expensive challenges, while WeFund has affordable challenges. Trading platform. FundedNext offers MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. WeFund offers MetaTrader 5. Both firms provide access to Tier 1 liquidity, ensuring fast execution and tight spreads. Trading instruments. You'll have access to a wide variety of assets with both firms, including Forex pairs, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies. Final thoughts. You can join our Telegram channel in the video description if you want WeFund Step-HFT account passed for free. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know which prop firm you're considering or if there's another you'd like us to review next.